Hi everyone, this is a short guide on how to add VAT value to your eBay products via M2E Pro. If you're an active eBay seller providing products to UK or European Union countries, then you're obligated to indicate VAT rates due to eBay regulations. But don't worry, you won't need to indicate VAT value for each product manually. With M2E Pro, you can do it in a few clicks. Let's see how to do it. Before you start adding VAT rates, make sure to enable the automatic revise rules in your synchronization policy, so that these changes will be applied automatically for listed eBay items. Go to the policy section in configuration. Here you'll find every selling policy assigned to your listings which require VAT settings. To specify suitable VAT rates and add them to your product prices, navigate to your selling policy and click Edit in a drop-down. Under the taxation section, you can indicate the VAT rate. Then choose whether you want to add VAT rate to the item price using the Add VAT percentage option. If you select Yes, VAT rate will be added on top of the item price. By selecting No, the VAT rate will be included and the final eBay item price won't be changed. After you finish, don't forget to save the changes. A quick tip: you can also edit the selling policy assigned to M2E Pro listing by clicking Edit Settings configuration within the policy used for this listing. That's it! After you enable the automatic revise rules and save the changes in a policy, they will be applied automatically for listed eBay items. Thank you for watching. Find details on how item price will be calculated if the VAT rate is applied in our article following the links in the description for this video.